Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Manisha Chivastha and you're watching my pregnancy journey. I'm going to share a very useful and very affordable medicine recipe with you guys, which works wonders on common cough and cold in babies and young kids, and for body ache also. It's super easy to make. It's an age-old recipe. I'm sure you also must have heard of it, and it has got no side effects. I have used it for my elder son, who's now 7.5, and I use it for my 3-month-old baby since the time he was born, and it has got no side effects, and it's super delicate on babies and on young kids, and it works wonders, guys, trust me. So without much ado, let's get into the video and see how you can. This was the recipe of the medicine, which is wonderful. Trust me, just make it, give it a try, and you'll know how wonderful it is. It has got no side effects, and it is 100% herbal and organic and homemade, as you saw, right? So give it a try and let me know how you liked it. If you think this video was useful to you, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share my videos with your family and friends. Please show some love, guys. So I'll be sharing more videos on my pregnancy journey, my life with a new baby now, and stay tuned to watch more about all this. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.